Hi viewers, good morning. Welcome back to my channel Free Class for All. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Okay viewers, this video is regarding the Byju's interview question and answers. I am going to give in the descriptive format. In this video, I am going to give all the questions list in detail. In next videos, in the further videos, I am going to give each and every question with the in detail explanation of answer. Okay viewers, coming to the first question, tell me about yourself or otherwise introduce yourself. In this question, you need to answer in detailed form about your name, about your education, and somewhat it should be related to the company which you are applying for the post. So I will give answer in a very good manner which is related to Byju's, because sometimes we need to answer related to the company which we are going for the interview. So I will give related to the Byju's, okay, and also that answer will be helpful for remaining companies also. Okay, the next question will be why sales after BTech? Because you are applying for the position of BDA, which is business development associated, which it is much more related to the sales field. So not only sales, if you are going for the other company, like they will ask generally why this field, because you are came from the BTech. Because if you went for the core, the which you done BTech, they will not ask. But if you went unrelated related field, definitely they are going to ask why this field, because you came from other background, why this. So this field is not related to your education, so definitely they will going to ask why this field after BTech. Here the position will be sales. If the position will be something else, they will ask that position why this field after BTech. For that you need to answer in a very impressive manner, because this answer will decide your future. I mean, this answer will decide your interview clearance or not. So I am mentioning that. And also third question, which is more important, because due to this COVID situation, lockdown has been kept. So the main question and extra question all the companies are asking, what are you doing nowadays? Because you need to answer this question in impressive manner, also related to the company and also related to the position. Because while you are answering you need to relate that answer to the particular field which you are applying, I mean particular position. I think you have been understood what I am exactly saying. And also these are the basic questions which I am saying first of all. And in next video I am going to explain about the scenario based questions and not more than scenario based questions. If you are good at communication skills, then definitely it is very easy to clear. And also they will ask and they will also ask some questions related to your resume, because before that you need to send resume to them before the interview. So some questions they will ask related to your resume, about your project. These are the basic questions in the first video call interview itself. So they will just ask related to your resume. And next thing they will ask question, they will ask are you willing to relocate or not? Because generally this question they will ask in the first telephonic round, or either in the first video call round. So generally these are the five questions they will basically ask. These are the five questions they will basically ask. And remaining questions which I am explaining, these are the important questions they will ask in the first video call interview. Okay, let's start. Okay, next question is, how will you sell our app? This question decides your fate, because this field, which is sales field, means you need to call for the parents. You need to convince them, because this BDA profile which is inside sales, so they will give some data for you. You need to call for the parents and you need to convince them. This question decides that how you are good at convincing the people, how much you are good at convincing the people. I think you are understanding how much you are good at convincing the people. This questions decides that. Definitely the first three questions are generally asked in telephonic round, and the remaining questions which I am explaining, these are asked in first video call interview. And the second video call interview questions will be like a scenario based questions, which I am going to explain in further videos. Okay, the main point I am explaining, that how will you sell our app decides, this question decides that how much you are good at facing or convincing the people. Okay, and also they will ask how good are you at accepting rejections, because if you will do call for the parents, sometimes they will convince some people, they will not definitely convince, because they are not prefer online teaching, because some people will prefer more classroom teaching. So sometimes they will not, they will not accept which you are saying, I don't want that. Sometimes they will say like that. So it will be like a rejection for you. So this, and what the answer you are explaining, this decides that how you are good at accepting the rejections. Means about your mind power and about your thinking power, they will definitely going to check, because these are the questions they are asking. Just they need to check your way of answering, because some people are good at answering the questions, they will definitely going to convince. So if you are good at accepting the rejections, definitely you are going to learn more from them. So you need to say this answer will be like, this question will be like important questions they will ask. And also I'm going to ask another question they will definitely going to ask, because Byju's is a brand, I mean best company. Some people are much more interested to do job in that company, so applying for this job for the brand of Byju's or for the particular you are interested in the field, because there will be two. If you I like Byju's, so I want to do job in the Byju's, so you will go for the Byju's. Or some people are there, I am interested in sales, so I want to go for the sales. They will check these two. If you are I mean if you are attracting for the company, or if you are attracting for the field, or you are attracting for the position, exactly I'm saying. So they will check by this question that you are attracting for the position, or you are attracting for the field. I mean you are attracting for the Byju's company. So for this question you need to answer the position you are interested in, because it is like a fate deciding questions. So these are the questions which is good questions definitely they are going to ask. And also one question, final question I need to say for you: what do you like the most about sales? Because you are interested in sales department, so you are applied for this position, so they will definitely going to ask that why do you like this field, because there will be some reason, so that's why you are interested in this field, so you need to say that reason. And also one thing, final question is what motivates you, because if you'll face rejections, or if you'll face some people will speak so hard, so at the situations what motivates you? Because some many people will disappoint by accepting rejections, so at that time how you will face, that is the answer they want to they are accepting from you. So these are the questions which the basic questions asked in telephonic and video call interview. And second final video call interview, it will be much more related to the scenario based questions, because I will upload a video with question and answers for that video. Because I mean if I will say that questions related to the Byju's, if I will say that questions in this video itself, you will not understand, because it will be like a clumsy. So if I will add another video for the scenario based questions, it will be easy for you to understand. I think you have been understood. These are the questions generally the Byju's company will ask for the 2 rounds, not for the final round. Final round will be vary. In my point of view, these questions will be enough for the interview, because I prepared these questions and I performed well, I got job. So what I am mentioning here, these questions will be enough, but in some cases they will ask more. But what is the main reason by clearing the interview round is nothing but self confidence and best communicational skills. These are the 2 important things generally they will check from you. If you will say if you will not say the correct answer, then also if you have confidence and if you have if you have good communication skills, they will definitely take you for their company. These are the basic 10 questions asked in telephonic round and first video call interview round. And second video call interview round, they will ask mainly scenario based questions. So I will upload in further videos. Please, if you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe, and please like this video. If you like this video, I will do more and more videos related to Byju's. Okay, these are the questions which I have been prepared and I have attended in my interview. Okay, these questions have been prepared based upon my interview. Please don't mind if they will ask more questions. I don't know, because they have been asked these questions for myself. Mainly they will ask these questions. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.